Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope everyone's okay on the back of a nice bank holiday weekend. Got some much needed time away with the kids. So, yeah, me and Laura have been back at it this week. Lots going on. Sun's out, so I thought we'd do an update. I think the first job of the week was doing this bulkhead repair on the Escort. It had rotted out underneath the hinge, so we've had to drill out the spot welds, carefully remove it, and the rot was actually worse than what it looked like. So basically it was all of that section. I've done it in two pieces in the end, so it's all been replaced new. And then yeah, we had to carefully realign the hinge, obviously to make sure the bonnet fits. So we took measurements from there to there, plug welded it back in, and yeah, just needs an absolute tiny skim on the weld and then prime it. So yeah, that's that job done. So yeah, really pleased about that. We've got the scuttle to do next, which we've already got lined up. So we will be painting it in body colour underneath the vent and get that welded on. We've been very busy on the Mini. So on the near side rear quarter, we bare metaled it because they had lots of paint issues, and much the same on the roof. So yeah, we decided to paint strip it and just remove any trace of the old paint because it was flaking, and there'd been a previous repair at the front, we think early in its life. You can actually see all the grime marks where they've obviously been panel beating away at it, and it was actually starting to rust under the filler. So yeah, Laura's finished stripping it yesterday. We then rush treated the whole roof, and then it's been 80 gritted back this morning, and you can see the amount of low spots we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All this area across the front. There's a big low there, one there. Several dents here. So we're going to now carefully lift them out, panel beat them out before putting any filler in there. But yeah, quite interesting. This looks like, well, I think my guess was that maybe it got hit by a car transporter in its early on its life, but who knows? Certainly that was done very early days. But yeah, it's nice to get rid of all that horrible paint. Nice surface to work with. The quarter panel's all in high build primer now. After the same treatment, that's been stripped, skimmed, epoxied and high build. And then back to the Citroen. So we've now got the driver's side in high build. Don't it look fantastic? I think we counted out, I think there's about 8 separate repair sections been put in just on this side alone. So obviously we've renewed the end of the seal, inner strengthener, inner door shut, arch, rear quarter lower section, that lip's been replaced. Yeah, the amount of time and level of commitment to get all of the lines right, exactly how they should. We've still got to stone guard it. Swage line, get the arch line right. So yeah, Laura's been cracking on with that this morning. Really pleased with that now. There was a few little rusty chips at the back, so we've done them. So it's just in the final stages now, just needs, I think, 500 and an SP. That'll be ready for paint. Still some more to do on the near side, so we'll come to that later. And then onto the Jag. That's had some attention this morning. I don't know how well this will be picked up on the camera because it's hard enough to get in there to weld, but basically it had rotted above the front chassis outrigger. Let's had a new plate in there, puddle welded and welded all the way around. It needs a finish on the kick panel now. There you go, just there we go, just in the corner there. That's the next step. Another little hole here, finding under the sound deadening. So yeah, we've been very, very busy. Hope you enjoy the update and see you soon.